Sa isang larawang kupas ay aking nasilayang muli ang ating lumipas. Kung may babalik ko lamang panahon at ang oras, hindi sana lungkot at pagsisisi ang dinaranas. Hanggang sa mga sandaling ito, di ako nagbabago. Taglay ko pa rin ang damdamin sa ating lumang litrato. Ngunit sa'yo, ewan ko, ikaw ba'y iba?
What if I never knew? What if I never found you? I never have this feeling in my heart.
How did this come to be? I don't know how you found me, but from the moment I saw you, deep inside my heart I knew, baby, you're my destiny.
Hi Sel, congratulations on your golden year. I hope your big day is filled with joy, laughter, and lots of memorable moments with your family and friends because you deserve it. I'll really miss you and I love you. Happy 50th birthday.
Hi Wang, happy 50th birthday. Here's my song for you. Cover your ears, please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Here's my wish to a dear cousin of mine and a childhood friend of mine. Anyway, Wang, we reached the golden age, and I know I hope you'll have a grand celebration because it should be a double. I know it's Ed's birthday as well, but double in a way, kay wala ko'y chance nag-celebrate sa akong golden birthday, kay pastilan si COVID, it comes at the right time. So, eat the cake for me as well, okay? Ingna si Janelle, dapat duha ka cake ang iyang i-celebrate, iyang i-prepare for you and for me, okay? But anyway, Wang, whatever happens to the ups and downs of our lives, we're always here for each other. Baski mag-away pa ta, basta nalang gihapon ta sa isa't isa, ha? Okay, enjoy your day, and gimingaw na ko sa imo. I want to eat that lumpia gulay o ang paksiw nga isda ni Ed. Anyway, hope to be back there next year, hopefully. And kung maayo na ko tanan-tanan. Anyway, enjoy your birthday. Ayaw palabik siyaok din ha. Kay wala na kayo niya time sa atong marites. Kay dugay-dugay na biya tawa nagmarites, no? Kay busy kita sa atong mga kinabuhi this past few days. But I know ang atong marites nagbalik-balik. It's always about us. We don't talk about others. Kay busy man punta sa atong kinabuhi niya. Mas exciting man ang atong life, istoryahan, maski paggabalik-balik, and I don't care. Anyway, basta enjoy ka lang, Wang. Ayaw palabi. Oh, don't forget to have a check-up with your health, okay? Kaya tigulang na ta. We're not getting any younger, okay? Love you, Wang, and basta kaon o cake ka. First bite is for me, second ka lang. Happy birthday again. God bless you, and I love you.
Happy birthday, Mommy Cecile. I hope you have a good time. And me too, and have a great birthday. We love you. Love you, Mommy Cecil. Bye. Bye.
Hello, Cas. Happy birthday and more to come. God bless.
Have a nice day, Ate Cecil. Daghang kay kong i-message sa inyo ha. Labi na birthday nung karon. First, mo greet sa ko og happy birthday, Ate Cecil. Enjoy your day. Karon special nimo na day. I hope na more blessing. And thank you sa panahon na naapa ko diha sa imong pag-help sa kuha. Thank you sa tanan. Daghang kay kong natun-an sa inyo ha, labi na mangarap, sa attitude, tanan na ang maldita ka ate pero buutan, tapos stay humble ng gyapon. Sa panahon na naapa ko diha, kamo ni kuya ug ikaw te inyo kong gitabangan para mausab ako kinabuhi o dili na ko na malimtan og daghang kay salamat. Usbo na ko te na happy birthday, tapos enjoy your day and God bless.
Hello, Tisel. Happy birthday. Thank you sa una sa mga nagyatag ni mga experience ako. Especially sa mga bata, sa pag-handle. Saka dapat pasensya sa mga bata. Kita na ko sa imo sa una. Thank you kayo sa hatag nimo og kanang good example as a good wife sa imong family. Happy birthday and have more blessings to come, and God bless.
Hi Ate Cecil, happy birthday. Here's to hope that your 50th is the beginning of more amazing things come true. With your 50th birthday, I see you not getting older but growing better. You are moving ahead towards perfection. Happy birthday ahead, Ate Cecil. I miss you.
Day, happy birthday. Wish na ko tagaan kag maing lawas ang atong tibuok pamilya. Palayo lang sa mga sakit. O salamat kayo sa imuhang unconditional love sa pamilya. Ikaw ang Wonder Woman sa mga tapulin. Salamat kayo. Naot ko nga malipayon ka sa imuhang adlaw karon. Ingat niya, kamutanan. Bye.
Hi Tita Cecil, happy birthday po. See you soon. Unta more birthdays to come, and unta po kanang mas healthy pa po ka. Unta makabalik pa mi sa inyong balik kay nakabuak ba mi ni Arvid og kuan. Thank you very much po sa pagiging generous, and hope you will see you soon po. Love you po.
Hi guys, happy birthday. Sorry, I'm running out of voice. I just got back from training, and I forgot to create this video this morning, so it's 12:30 in the evening here. So yeah, I wish you good health, more success, and best of luck, and definitely many birthdays to come. I wish Mom, me, and Tita Jane could celebrate your birthday with you. But yeah, I miss you very much, and I miss Nadine, Mickey, and the guys. Mickey, pag t-shirt, basig, pulmonyahon ka. Anyway, I love you. I miss you guys. Happy birthday. Hi, Kuya Ed.
Mayong buntag te. Happy birthday. Unta hatagan pa ka og daghang birthday sa imuhang kinabuhi. Og salamat sa imuhang pagtagad sa amua, sa imuhang pagkamaayo. Happy birthday te. Unta malipayon ka sa imong adlawng natawhan karon. Og maayong buntag.
Hi, Mommy. Happy 50th birthday, and I hope you're having a great time with the rest of the family. I wish I was there to celebrate with you all. And bawi lang ko sa Kabayan Savings Pohon. I pray that the Lord will grant you good health always and peace of mind. I miss you so much. I love you, and thank you so much for all the support that you have given me all throughout my journey. You're the best, Jud sa tanan. Thank you so much, Naka, para sa amo ang tanan always when we needed you. And that's it. Happy birthday and enjoy the rest of the night. I love you.